Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives in OPPO Pad Air. And to do this you will need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's open it, then find the file that you want to extract and click on it. Right here you will enter extraction options by clicking on the arrow pointing up button. You can customize these options however you like, but it's not necessary. You can click on Browse to change the designation to put it right here in the Movies folder. When it's ready, click on OK, and your files should be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.